Welcome to Tips and Tricks TV. Once again, I'm with another tutorial, and this one is gonna be exclusive for you. So basically today I'm going to give you a great trick to get a verified Facebook ID. So no more time waste, let's know the trick. Open any browser that you love and visit the link I provide you. I'll give you the link in the description. You just need to visit the link and you will find this form. Though this form is for different purpose, but I guarantee you that this trick will must work to get a verified Facebook ID. What you need, you just need a valid ID card. What kind of ID card? It can be your national ID card, it can be your school ID card, your varsity ID card, and I'm showing you what kind of IDs are accepted. Here is the list. If you choose group 1, you have to provide any ID from this list. But if you choose group 2, you have to provide any 2 ID from this list. So if you submit a school ID card, you have to submit any another ID card, like it can be your library card. So I think you got me. If you choose group 2, then you have to submit any 2 ID card from this list, and if you submit any 1 ID card from this list from group 1, then it will work. Okay, next thing is that you have to capture the picture of your ID card from 3 different angles. So as an example, suppose this is a national ID card, you have to take 3 pictures from 3 different angles, and you have to submit those 3 pictures of the same ID card here in this field. Just choose file, 3 file of your ID card, and upload it. Okay, and what you need to do now, you have to fill up this form according to your submitted ID card. So don't try to modify anything, otherwise this trick is not gonna work. Suppose this is a national ID card I am submitting here. So what I have to do, I have to fill up the first name, surname according to my ID card. Okay, and I'll have to provide a valid email address. I have to choose my gender, and I have to select my birthday according to my ID card. So Facebook will check 3 things from this ID card. Number 1 is your name, your picture in your ID card, and date of birth. So if you fill up this form according to your ID card, then Facebook will accept it. Otherwise they are not gonna accept your ID card. Okay, just fill up the form, upload 3 pictures of the same ID card, check this option I agree, and send it to Facebook. Boom. So now Facebook will email you within 1 day, and they will provide you a password in that email, and you will be able to log into your Facebook ID. Actually, this Facebook ID is a verified Facebook ID because Facebook has confirmed that your provided ID card is a real one, so you will not face any other problem in Facebook, like your ID will not be disabled if you don't violate any other terms of Facebook. And this is how you can get a verified Facebook ID, and I think this tutorial is helpful for you guys. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please give a thumbs up to this video to inspire me to make more videos for you guys. And please don't forget. See you next time.